Welcome back to Autoglide, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today we have something exciting for you, the all-new 2025 Tata Tiago, an updated version of the iconic hatchback that has won hearts all over India. In this video, we're diving deep into its exterior design, performance, history, and features. So let's get started. The 2025 Tata Tiago brings a fresh and bold design language to the compact hatchback segment. Its front fascia is dominated by a wide, muscular grille, a signature feature of Tata's latest design philosophy, which is both modern and striking. The grille is flanked by sleek, angular headlights that incorporate LED DRLs, providing the car with an aggressive yet stylish look. The front bumper has been reworked, with a more dynamic, sculpted design, adding to the car's sporty appeal. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Tiago continues to impress with its well-defined lines and curves. The character line runs from the front fender to the rear taillights, creating a sense of fluid motion and agility. The alloy wheels are larger and more stylish, with a new multi-spoke design that adds to the car's premium feel. The side cladding and sharp wheel arches further enhance its muscular stance, making the Tiago look more grounded and poised on the road. At the rear, the 2025 Tiago features new LED tail lights that wrap around the corners, giving the car a contemporary, wide stance. The rear bumper is redesigned, with a more aggressive diffuser and a refined chrome garnish, which not only improves the car's aesthetics but also adds a touch of sophistication. The overall rear design strikes a balance between sporty and refined, a testament to Tata's approach to blending style with functionality. One of the standout features of the 2025 Tiago's exterior is its compact dimensions, making it an ideal choice for city driving. The car's smaller footprint makes parking and maneuvering through tight spaces effortless, while its wide track gives it better stability on highways. Tata has also worked on improving the car's aerodynamics, optimizing the body to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. All these elements come together to make the 2025 Tiago not only visually appealing but also a practical and performance-oriented vehicle. As for the paint options, Tata has offered a range of vibrant colors, including new hues that give the Tiago a modern and youthful character. The fit and finish of the body panels are top-notch, reflecting Tata's commitment to quality, with improvements in paint quality and rust-resistant materials ensuring the longevity of the car's exterior. The new Tiago is built to last and maintain its visual appeal for years to come. In conclusion, the 2025 Tata Tiago's exterior design takes everything great about the previous models and refines it. With bold styling, modern features, and a performance-focused build, it's clear that Tata is aiming to cater to the growing demands of today's car buyers. Whether you're looking for style, performance, or practicality, the Tiago delivers it all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed car reviews right here on Autoglide.